Hello guys, we are going today to mess up a little bit with the laser machine. I have run the program already. Let me just explain you something. You see, when you are download the program, first it takes ages to download it, and the video show you press the download and update. Let me open something here. Honestly, when you download it and install the program. One second, let me go in there. It should be that one. This is the SJT setup 2020. This is about the setup. I have done it already, and it's going to be to your. I have set up to do it in my C drive, and it's that one. You see, that is the data. That is about the phone is going in there. You see, I have. There, let me open the other one. That is what's going to be look like that when you are going to press here the download. Is going to update this list here on after. It's going to be look like that. Example, now if I go to the number one is Apple and tell you the different model of Apple, how it's look, and you can download them. However, when you press this download button, it took ages. Believe me, I have done it. It takes a long time. When you show in a video in YouTube for manufacturer, and there are skip the video, but this is take long time. However, you don't need to really download it. If I let me open it again, C program, that one, data. So you see, we got only one there. It's only one, and if I going to press example now, one second, what was it there? Go in there, what we got in there. So we got different iPhone, and we don't have iPhone. What we download? iPhone SE, iPhone 11, iPhone XR. You see, we don't have any iPhone XR in this list. We got iPhone X, 11, 8, and SE. So now if I go into here and go to Apple, go second to load, and if I go into iPhone XR back cover, doesn't matter, we just want to show you, press and let's press the load. You see it's turning. It's took a little bit longer as accepted because we not have it downloaded. What the program is now going to do, the program is going to download, especially for iPhone XR, that you can see is coming down here, there. That is what's happening. It means you can, without download that one, you choose your phone, which one you want to work on it. It's take it faster, or you can press the download. If you press download, take long time to go ahead and do it that one. And I have found out when I press the update, honestly, it's not making that much difference. Maybe I'm wrong. However, that is the tip. I hope that one help you. If someone want to try to do something, and if you can, that bit there, red light is mean if you press the red light, then you can see, I don't know, you can see it's show you where it's going to be cut it, right? And if I go there and turn off the red light, and take the red light outlet, and just to show the square bit round it. This is other tip if in case is helpful for you. So what I say, I want to have a go laser the plastic, have a look how it's going. What I'm going to do, just to mess up something, put it that one there. I don't know, we are going to put it like a yeah, K1, one second, K1 repair center. Oh, I have forgot how it was working. So I've now we're at the K1 repair center. I'm just click that one there, change this and change the front. That is come now K1 Repair Center. So let now mark red light. You can see it's too long. That's what we want to do. We want to do it smaller. It's no problem at all. In the middle, and I want to have a fill it up. No, where was it? I have completely forgot where it was. I think it was there. Morgan, let me figure it out. Where was it? That one? No, that one. No. Yes, I think it was that one. Gold. Okay. Yeah. Miss, can you remember too? Where was it? Capture the object transfer now. 1 second. Oh, however, it doesn't matter. Let me. I want to figure. I want to fill it up. It still is too. No, it still is too big. Let's have it too wide. We just a little bit smaller. But where was it? Yes, I got it. Then you press that there. If I filling number 2, okay. Now it's have a fill it up. This is what I wanted. Red light. Have a look. How big is it? Yes. So if I put it there. Okay, let it burn it. Burning, mark. Oh, I think it's actually making a hole in my case. Sugar. Actually, it's not burn my case, it's burning underneath the case. Damn it. Wow, very interesting. What have I done? Okay. Actually, it's a bloody thing underneath. And there's nothing here. Yeah, it was a little bit there. Of course it's not going to burn it. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to burn it here, top there. Make it smaller. Wow, it's not reading anything, is it? Single phone line, and we do that one. Red light. So big. Okay, you're going to burn. Bah, that's it. What the hell? Oh yes, I need to fill it. Fill it. 2, okay. Red light. Yes. And burn. What the hell? There's nothing. Just see 20 there. You know what? I'm going to burn it in that one. So Okay, now you are going to make it bigger how it was before. Put it down in the middle, make it bigger. Here front we change it to what is to line, and we do yes that one, and we are going to do the red line. It's too big. Stop. We do it smaller on that one. We're going to fill it. Yes. Red line. Yes, and you are going to burn it now. You can see there it's burning. And it's not very bright, is it? Go one more time, I will not make any difference. No, not really. I think it's just burning the color underneath. Yes, it is, because the gloss is that is no. Not bad. Yeah, actually burn it in the back. Okay. Not bad, not bad. Damn it, this is good. Now yeah, main thing what I want to make this video only because of that one. Let me show you again. And if you see we don't have any, let me show you iPhone XS Max example. We don't have any XS Max here. If I go there and put XS Max back, load, you can see on the bottom there it should become now. There you go. Can you see it's there now. XS Max. What I want to say, you can press the download and fill it everything off here, but it's take ages. But if you can, just choose your phone and press load, and it's going to download from server directly. It's a good idea to download it when you got the time, but if you want to do something quickly, just to press that one. If you got a question, drop me email. You need to go to my website, k1repaircenter.com, and drop me email. If I can help you, I try my best to do that. Thank you for watching K1 Repair Center.